Mimo's done a great job, easy to deal with, and his team are fantastic.
Mimo had a price back to me in a couple of hours, and the price that ended up happening with Mimo is I'm having carpets cleaned, the whole exit clean and Venetian blinds for less than the price of another quote for just the Venetian blinds. And the second Mimo came in this afternoon to give me the quote, I've 100% trust. He's actually going to do the clean after I leave the state, and I mean, for me, that trust right from the start. So now what I get to do is spend some time with my very good friend before I leave the state, and I'm really excited about that and very, very grateful. Thank you.
Nancy has done a great job with cleaning our house in South Bank after our renovations. Now she has the keys to our house and is cleaning it weekly for only $30 an hour.
Clean House Melbourne is the best I've tried so far. I'm very happy with the reliable service, and I recommend it to everyone. We're so happy with it, thank you.
Wonderful experience from reaching out. Even though they didn't do our area, they made a special exception and came to us anyway. Quick response, it felt like 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It was just available. Came out the same week. The job is just exceptional, beyond my wildest dreams. No cleaning company has ever done the job they've done, and would recommend it to anyone, family, friends and strangers. Great job. Thanks guys.
Today I've had Mimo and his lovely staff in our apartment in South Yarra. From what I can tell, they've done an amazing job. Couldn't be happier, to be honest. From start to finish, Mimo has been very thorough, and his attention to detail is 5 stars. So thanks again to Mimo and his staff.
To thank Mimo and his team for their fabulous work around my home here, doing a pre-sale clean before I do it. Things like behind the microwave there, the kitchen floor was real quite dirty. They've done a fantastic job there. Everywhere, windows sparkling clean, you can see out, in and out, on time, done what they promised, fantastic. Highly recommend.